Kia ora tātou. My name's Steve Killeen, CEO of Downer New Zealand. We're on lockdown here, so I just wanted to reach out to my friends and colleagues across the industry. Firstly, to the people at Downer, those delivering essential services, thank you so much for the work. The country really values it. For those of you in lockdown, stay sharp, keep planning, and be ready to go when we get back to work. To our suppliers and subcontractors, thanks for your input. We'll keep in touch over the next couple of weeks and we'll keep payment runs coming. Hopefully that will help. To our customers, thank you so much for your support and your friendship during the last couple of weeks. We couldn't get there without you. So remember, although we're keeping our distance, we're closer than ever. Mā te wā.